Here in Montvalazon, France, there's a slight problem with a retaining wall that's slipped out at the bottom, about 300mm, and we're aiming this morning to install a series of Spirafix with an easy fence post knocker to help set up a series of U-channels and tie the wall back in without replacing the whole wall.
And here we are in deepest, darkest France, and we've got the Magoo team on the fence post knocker. Is it going to work? It's a big question. And rum, here we are. Oh, we've forgotten to put the end on. Oh dear. End's going on. Are we ready? It's getting exciting. Oh.
Hey, everything fixed to what I've ready.
And it's the end of the day and the 5 U-channels are installed, and you can see the Spirafix, which were easily installed with the easy fence post knocker. A close up, you can just see the Spirafix going into the wall. And I'm hoping with a good bit of Victorian engineering that wall is not going to collapse for a good few years yet.